Hey everyone, so today I made it into Sam's Club. Right here we have a 20 count candy canes, and of course you get the jelly. The jellies come with it. It looks like Santa, a sleigh, a tree. Now these are on sale. The Godiva, $9.98. You know the holiday season is here, and the stock is $6.98. So it looks like a sale. You get 48 for $11.48. Used to be $13.48. That's a good one, right? I remember as a kid, I never really ate this because it looked fancy and expensive. But now that I'm old, I'm like, oh, it's nothing to me. $12.98, and of course you get two. So this one is new. We have Tuxedo Marshmallows, $9.98. Vanilla and chocolate marshmallow topped with a chocolate chip, gluten-free and made in the USA. So these are new. I've never seen these, but normally if you go to Spencer's, you know how they have the chips with like Cardi B on it and stuff. $14.98. They're called wrap snacks, and you will get 15. Little baby all in, salt and vinegar, barbecue onion, garlic, and more. Chicas party size, gluten-free. These are $6.98, and you know what? I never heard of this brand in my Sam's Club. $13.98, and you will get 30. It looks like Doritos. You get quite a bit in here. The Lay's chili, $3.49, a limited time only. I haven't tried this. If you tried it, let me know, because you know we love to try the different Lays. My husband's mad because he can no longer find like the
Canadian all dressed Ruffles.
Yeah,
those were the best. And so are the chicken and waffles Lays.
Oh, those are good.
And the crab spice ones.
Better than popcorn. Okay, like air popcorn. They're pancake popcorn. What? Made in the USA. Let's see, gluten-free, non-GMO, 50 calories per cup. What? Have you guys tried that? Let me know about it. Let me know before I spend money and nobody touches it. So pistachios, I'm debating on buying this. You get 24 for $14.98. And over here you have a 40 ounce, which is $14.98. This is salt and pepper though. They have lightly salted. This one's a little different, $16.98 and $15.98, no shell. By members mark, $14.98. You get a 48 ounce. Oh, okay, dry roasted with sea salt. It looks like the sriracha almonds are on sale, $9.98 from $11 pretty much. So I did share this one before, $9.98. It was sold out. They brought it back. We have Skinny Pop, holiday popcorn. You get white chocolate, gingerbread, and snickerdoodle. Waffle fries, £4, $4.98. You know everybody loves those Chick-fil-A fries. Red velvet cheesecake, holy smokes, $18.98. I feel like I want to buy it, but I don't want to buy it at the same time. $11.98. We have a pizza bowl, gluten-free, vegetarian, 16 grams of protein. Plenty of salads out today, $5.28. What do we have? Cranberry crunch salad, so $8.37. $8.16 is $5.28 a pound. This one's Cobb salad, $5.28. Ooh, the avocado ranch, like the lime green stuff from El Pollo Loco and Chick-fil-A is pretty good, but I prefer El Pollo Loco. $8.34 here for a large salad. If you're doing potlucks at work, this works. It works. What is in here? Like apples, cranberries, like kind of like a fruit one. Okay, that is $6.08. And they have these twice baked potatoes. You get 4 for $8.54. I'm like really tempted to try one. I don't know. I normally don't buy this stuff here in Sam's Club, but if you try that, let me know. Meat prices, I say stay the same. Like right here we have beef ribeye, 3 for $50.33. They're not as thick like Costco. Well, you know what? They are kind of thick. $49.77. So the highest is 55, but the 55 is because they butterflied it. They slimmed it down for you.
Yeah, I hate that. They're so flat.
So, I mean, you could do that at home too yourself. A fresh wreath, $18.98, and it smells amazing. $19.98, $5 off. You got Viking, a 10-piece. So you got like a red lid, blue lid, and a black stainless steel mixing bowl. And you know, these Vikings are really a good brand. The Fun Pillow, $14.98, comes in bright colors. And they do have like these body pillows. They're going to be $14.98, like the cozy pillow. Okay, window panels. You get two for $19.98. $29.98, which I think we might have seen this one already. They do have a pinky one. Character blankets, $14.98. It is Sherpa on the inside. Here is Stitch. Oh, that is really cute and quite thicker. There was a Stitch blanket I found at TJ Maxx, but it was really thin. And they also have Spider-Man. $17.28. You got Bailey's, and then you get 2 mugs. Don't forget to make French toast Bailey's with brioche bread. Oh my god, amazing. That is something to have on Christmas morning. So Chata with the mug, $16.98. Down here we have Jim Beam. You get, I think, a mug. No, you get tabletop cornhole little game. $20.52. And the whiskey is $29.98. Okay. And $38.98. You get 2 glasses. So rosemary tree, $19.98. And on top, those are $29.98. $13.98 by 7. Little waffle Henley. Has buttons, which I love when they have buttons like that. I like this gray one. I would get it oversized for me. Casually, leggings. I'm good to go. The Gap. Okay, these are hoodies. $19.98. We also have a blue one. Faux leather, $12.98. Okay, they're kind of like shiny faux leather. And $16.98. Little ankle. Oh my gosh, that's what happens when you get off work and you're really tired. My words stumble. And these are like motor leggings. They're on sale for $9.98. So you get 104 bags for $24.48. I don't see anything too new going on right now in Sam's Club. Like, their sales are the same right now. $26.98. So on sale you get 168. So on sale right now for $29.91 was, you know, pretty much $10 off, which is not bad to have. You have like 2 speakers in here. They're going to be $35. And $14.98. Little collapsible work light. So in the toy department, $18.98, we have Mega Light Up Dino. Over 27 pieces. Oh, look. It does make noise. Okay, that's cool. Okay, I don't see anything too new in the magazine department. Everyday Faith, Oprah's Favorite Things. We have Women's Day like cupcakes. Oh my gosh, isn't Britney Spears supposed to do an interview with Oprah? Because I want to watch that.
Oh, that's her?
That is not Britney Spears.
Oh, that you said. I was like, she looks like crap now.
Drop 45 pounds, Suzanne Summers. Okay. Little crochet, maybe make a little Elfie man. Live Santa, Mad Stocking Stuffers. A feud going on. Harry Potter. So I've been slowly collecting hairstyle magazines. This one I haven't seen. I am Cindy Lou Who. All these Christmas books. Papa, Penguin, Peekaboo. Legos, Frosty the Snowman. Oh, that's kind of cute. Alright, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here in Sam's Club. I keep wanting to call it Costco. Oh my goodness. Alright, you guys, please stay safe. The roads are really, really crowded. I mean, oh my gosh. Like, we are crowded here in Arizona. And I know we have a lot of, they call it snowbirds here in Arizona, and like people from like different states because it's snowing.
I call them invaders.
Okay. Anyways, guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.